Hello world. So I am on my way to visit the Teotihuacan ruins.
Water goddess. This is the copy, remember that. Chalchihuitl. A ver, everybody repeat after me. No, after me. Chalchihuitl. Chalchihuitl. Okay, you are professionals. Vámonos. Lucas, we are to Aztec. We arrived here and we found this place abandoned. All the time, answer yes.
Yes.
Can you see that city?
Yes.
Maybe that city was created by God.
Yes.
Well, let's put Teotihuacan.
Yes.
Gracias. The Aztec, they didn't have any ideas and they put those names. Then, we don't know what kind of people were living here. We don't know what kind of language they spoke. We don't know the running of the sun and the moon pyramids. Okay? This is the biggest pre-Hispanic city in America. Bigger than Tulum, Uxmal, Cacaxtla, Unampa, Chichen, Machu Picchu. Okay? In this place, we have 174 pyramids. And today, when you are on the top of the Sun Pyramid, you are going to see only the 8%. Everything is around buried. Vámonos, chicos. Let's go. So from here, you can see that the moon pyramid is smaller than that mountain. Check the mountain size. Okay? Remember that. It's very important. Now, a long time, this place, it was named Avenue de Death. You know? Avenida de los Muertos. But in 30 minutes more, you have to tell me if this place was an avenue or wasn't an avenue. In Teotihuacan, the majority of the pyramids have 5 layers. Remember, in the past, on the top, there were 2 altars. This altar was dedicated to Tlaloc. Do you know who was Tlaloc? The rain god. The Aztec, they used to sacrifice children to Tlaloc, the most important Aztec god. W-A-R, el dios de la guerra, war god. Okay? Every day, the Aztec, they do human sacrifice to Huitzilopochtli, like this. She's the victim. Obviously, on the top of that altar, they put a rock with a shark. Then we need 5 papas. The papas were the people specialized in do human sacrifice. They used to have long hairs until here like the hippies. Do you know? Rolling Stone, Maná, Shark. One papa take like this, another there. Another do like enlarge the human body like this, and take the human head like this. And the most important papa, with material, obsidiana, stone knife. And after that the body was thrown down and onto the pyramid, and after that the Aztec took the body, rode to their houses and prepared cook lunch, breakfast and dinner. they used to eat human remains, but only when they have ceremonies. If not, it was prohibited. How the Aztecs choose their victims? Mexico City, Toluca, Hidalgo, Puebla State, and Tlaxcala State. The Aztec, they used to eat people from Tlaxcala, Tlaxcaltecas. Do you know why? Because when the Spanish arrived to Mexico, the Aztec started to taste the Spanish flesh, and when they taste those, we prefer the Tlaxcaltecas. They are more sweet. If you don't believe me, by my face. But if you see closely, you can see Indians with the costumes or suits in yellow color, and they are helping to the Spanish to kill Aztec because they were Tlaxcaltecas and they were the Aztec lunch. Okay, remember that. I told you that we don't know anything about this place because we don't have pre-Hispanic books or codex. But in 1992, 10 minutes far away in that direction, on the floor, the archaeologists, they found a mural. According to the information, this place was, like nowadays, the United Nations. This is the Maya's representation, Teotihuacanos, Zapotecs, Olmecas, Xicalancas, and they have a big meeting point to try to resolve a problem related with the fertility. In those years, in that time, they didn't have water. Him did researches inside that pyramid and around, and he found 265 human remains. Only men. Jorge Acosta found those human remains in these positions. But the most strange, he found those human remains with a special necklace. Those were made with human jaws. Imagine how many people you have to kill to put those arrangements.
This shit is incredible, man. Like, I've never seen anything like this. Antiquity, man, like ancient history, man. Definitely before you come here, you might want to do some research on your own about what it's about. I got my tour from TripAdvisor. It cost $60, but I did buy it the last minute. When I first looked it up, it was like 38 bucks. It was like a month ago. Like, we're gonna have like drinking and get to try pulque, some mezcal, which even though I don't really like mezcal that much, but yeah, I'm excited. It's pretty difficult trying to vlog, be a photographer at the same time. Like right now, I just saw my tour guide. I didn't lose them, but pretty far away. This place is so spread out. They don't really know what the point of this whole pyramid is. Just like, there's just like so a huge part of the world, man, that we just don't know. It's like, dude, things you complain about, microaggressions, money, this, that, making shit up, trying to find a way to be a victim of some kind. I just feel like people who are like that have not traveled anywhere. Coming to all these places makes me feel like there's just so many things to be discovered. I forget how many year old ruins behind me. Shouldn't we find out about those people? I'm kind of scared about going back because I'm just like, I haven't had to deal with any of that shit.
There, the archaeologists, they did a hole to show us the layer number 4.
This is a journey and a half. Like, this is just one day here at a ruin. There are ruins that like you have to hike through the jungle, or like Machu Picchu, hiking up a mountain. I know that before I do that, make that trip, I have to be in good shape. But holy cow, would you look at this. feel like I am Lara Croft in Tomb Raider. Or at least it's my goals. Hashtag goals. Whew, fucking tired. Damn steps. It's like Cadiza Leo all over again. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to the top, but I'm gonna try and go halfway. Oh, you know, no big deal. Just some ancient ruins. Didn't think I could do it, but I did it. I climbed. I climbed. Practically sit down to get down the shit. See, I don't fucking trust the Aztecs, man. When they made this, it was probably to hurt somebody. I don't trust them. Like, how you sacrifice kids? Who does that? One of my friends was telling me, he was like, oh yeah, they didn't sacrifice that often, only like once a month. Only once a month sacrifices. Okay, good to know. I didn't think I would get up there. Yeah, I did that.
Take picture, take picture.
I climbed that. All this stuff they're selling, nobody's selling water. That is just the dumbest thing ever. If you want to do this, here's some advice. Number 1, wear comfortable shoes. No sandals, man. Sneakers. Rule number 2, wear comfortable pants. Most likely shorts. As I mentioned before, the Mexican sun is crazy. Number 3, bring a big ass bottle of water. Make sure your phone's charged, camera's charged. Honorable mention, it's better to come with someone. So although I'm having fun, it would be so nice to have someone to share it with. Most importantly, someone to take pictures of me. And just coming here is helping me realize certain things are important in my life. Yes, I'm praying on it. No, but I need the rest of the year to work on myself, man. Gotta be the best person, best version of myself I can be. Confidence up, work, money up, have my own place. Can't believe I'm talking to you guys on a video with an ancient ruin in the background. And that like music, it's really taking me back 1,000 years, 1,500. I could feel those vibes.
The last March 21, in one day, arrived here 95,000 tourists. 3 or 4 days ago, but arrived here 75,000 people in one day, okay? To see the spring equinox, like Chichen Itza. Do you remember that? They shared it. No. Mirror. Okay? You got it? Only 1 more minute. And the first rock, that column, the first rock,
this is the pulque. The pulque, remember, is the honey water fermented. Take a cup, going to do a special toast. Arriba! Arriba! Abajo! Al centro! Movimiento! Y adentro! Salud! Salud! What do you think about the pulque? You can drink this special tequila alone, because a good tequila could be drinking alone, right? The legend says that if the worm is in your cup, you must to it, and then you are going to have 7 years for good luck and excellent sex, okay? Al centro, movimiento, y adentro, salud.
Chile, sin chile.
I don't know. ¿Cuánto cuesta, carro?
De 25 cada uno. It looks like a pineapple.
Yeah, you cut it like that?